Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So without wasting time, let's jump straight into our today's question, and I'll meet you at the end of this video. So do watch the video. So now our first question is, the doctor prescribe a patient to take inhaled beclomethasone and inhaled albuterol for the treatment of asthma. As a nurse, what you will give first? Beclomethasone first, 5 minutes later albuterol first, 1 minute later beclomethasone first or albuterol later. Albuterol are coming. So what is albuterol and what is beclomethasone? So albuterol is a beta agonist. Albuterol is a bronchodilator. It's a beta agonist. So first of all, for bronchodilation, because beta agonist causes bronchodilation and beta blockers causes bronchoconstriction, right? So it is a bronchodilator. So what happens when we are giving the bronchodilator first, like albuterol we are giving first, then it opens up the airway, and after 5 minutes when we are giving beclomethasone, that is the corticosteroids. So क्या होता है, जब corticosteroids आप later दे रहे हैं तो it will get there into the bronchioles में जाएगा, ठीक है. So इसकी वजह से वहां पे वो act करेगा. Otherwise there is no use of giving beclomethasone first and the albuterol, right? So हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, bronchi को dilate करेंगे and then we are giving steroids to the beclomethasone to the patient. So the right answer of this question is so. Coming to the next question. That's all about this video. And how do you like this video? Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe the channel. And one more thing I just want to add here, that I have started this series because I have some basic idea in my mind that if we know the basic concept, अगर हमें basic concept पता है तो we can do thousands of questions related to that. अगर लेकिन हमें basic concept नहीं पता और हम बहुत सारे questions कर रहे हैं तो that is useless. So my idea to start this series just to have the basic concept clarity, so that we can do many questions related to that topic. Okay, so please let me know how do you like the idea behind it. I've taken only 2-3 questions for the day, so just for the basic understanding of that particular questions. So thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.